Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku Classic. The goal is to fill a 9 by 9 grid with numbers 1 through 9. Each number must appear only once in every row, every column, and every 3 by 3 subgrid. Some numbers are already provided, giving you clues to start solving the puzzle. It's a game of logic and deduction. To begin, scan the grid for rows, columns, or 3 by 3 blocks that have many numbers already filled in. This helps you quickly identify single candidates, where only one number can logically fit into an empty cell. Also, look for hidden singles by checking which numbers are missing in a unit and where they must go. Cross-hatching is a great way to eliminate possibilities. Once you master the basics, explore advanced strategies like naked pairs and hidden pairs. These involve identifying two numbers that can only occupy two specific cells within a row, column, or block. Pointing pairs help eliminate candidates from other cells. For a real challenge, try the X-wing technique, which uses 4 cells across 2 rows and 2 columns to narrow down possibilities. These methods require careful observation. To truly excel at Sudoku, start with easier puzzles to build your confidence and understanding of the logic. If you're playing on paper, always use a pencil and eraser. It's perfectly fine to make corrections. Don't hesitate to take a break if you feel stuck or frustrated. Regular practice is key to improving your speed and developing your problem-solving skills. Enjoy the challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.